In this video, we're going to learn more about CaseGuard's advanced AI audio redaction features. In the last video, we learned how to pin and use the transcription panel to transcribe our audio and how to redact using the analytics panel. Remember, in the last video, we added a video file into CaseGuard. This time, I added an audio file, but everything I demonstrate here can be done to video files with audio as well. To begin, let's pay attention to the Workspace viewer. If it were a video, it would have the images displayed here. Since this is an audio file, you'll notice that there is an audio visual being used in its place. Let's begin playing this video and take a look. If you right-click within the workspace, you will see the Visualizations option, which allows you to change the audio visuals. The default that we have previewed is the audio waveform. We have digital impulse wave,
911, what is your emergency?
heat map,
I don't have an emergency. I just want to report a theft.
Okay, may I have your name, sir?
audio frequency spectrum,
Yeah, my name is Travis Kent.
And where did this
audio bars,
theft occur?
At my house.
Okay, and what is your address, sir?
and the option of no visualization as well.
I live at 1941 Pearl Harbor Street.
I'll use audio waveform.
Okay, that's 1941 Pearl Harbor Street.
I'll go ahead and enlarge the text in the transcription with the T toggle before I continue. Let's learn more about the specific features accessible in the transcription panel. You have the ellipsis button at the top right of the transcription panel. When selected, you are able to access different ways to organize and use your transcription. First option is match the whole word. If this is selected, you have to type out the entire word you are looking to find within your transcription. For example, Travis. The system looked for the entire word and highlighted it throughout the transcription. It also gives you the number of times it appears in the transcription here. Travis occurs once in the transcription. Once I unselect this option, I can type in T, R, and anything with those two letters will be highlighted, kind of like the search options we may be familiar with in our Word documents. Next, match case. If you want your words to search for the exact match of lower and uppercase, select this option. So, searching for Kent with a lowercase k, it will not find it within this transcription. Once I unselect this option and type in Kent, it's able to highlight it throughout the entire transcription since it's no longer case sensitive. The third option is underline low confidence words. As you may have noticed, some words in the transcription are underlined with a green, yellow, or red line. These colors signify the confidence level of the transcription. We'll talk more about this shortly. Next, show speakers. The transcription separates what is being said by whom. This option allows you to remove it and have the unlabeled transcription available. Lastly, shorten the speaker's sentence. This breaks up the long blocks or paragraphs into shorter sentences and segments it better for observation of the transcription. I've unselected Show Speakers and selected to shorten the speaker sentences, so we can better analyze the color-coded confidence level in our transcription. Let's hover over each color line. The green line at the start of this audio shows that it's being said at this timestamp, and it is 75% confident that the audio is saying 911. Let's take a listen.
"911, what is your emergency?"
Now that I've verified that the audio is saying 911, I can go ahead and right-click and select Mark as Accurate, so you don't have to worry about this anymore. Let's hover over the yellow line. The confidence, as you can see, is at 56%, lower than the green. Let's right-click at the beginning of the sentence and select Go to Position, and take a listen.
I don't have an emergency. I just want to report a theft.
Yes, he said, I just want to report a theft, so I know this is accurate. I'll go ahead and mark this as accurate as well. Lastly, let's hover over the red line. We can see that this is only 6% confident, lower than the green and the yellow. And when we take a listen,
And where did this theft occur?
At my house.
Okay, and what is your address?
we can confirm that something is incorrect. We have the option to right-click and select Edit. Here, you can replace the incorrect or missing information and have it replaced in this one occurrence or throughout the entire transcription. I'll select to just replace this current one and mark it as accurate. Within the transcription panel, you're also able to collectively apply audio redactions and effects based on speaker. For example, let's add the speakers back into the transcript and search speaker_0. Now I can select to mute, bleep, or change voice of the speaker. I'll select to change voice. The transcription reflects yellow to show that there is a voice change based on speaker 0. I will now redact everything the analytics has found and export this file. Let's listen to the final product.
What is your emergency?
I don't have an emergency. I just want to report a theft.
Okay, may I have your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is
And where did this theft occur?
at my house.
Okay, and what is your address?
Okay.
I live in.
Okay, that's
Correct.
okay.
As you can see, CaseGuard was able to redact all the PIIs using the analytics panel and change voice based on the speaker. Let's revisit the original audio file. Below the transcription panel, you have the information icon. This gives you the transcription statistics. As you can see, overall, there's a 97.9% confidence level, which is determined to be high. The transcription statistics also gives you a word count, punctuation count, and sentence count. You could use the word cloud report to visually see the most frequently said words within your transcription. This can be found under print reports, and using the dropdown, select word cloud. In the next AI Audio Redaction Advanced videos, we'll talk about translation, closed captioning, block list, and more. Happy redacting!